Stop wasting your time with ChatGPT, VidIQ, or those shady external apps to get your watch time. Listen, you are struggling to hit that 4,000 hour mark because you are looking in a wrong place. Oh my god. Most people don't realize that YouTube literally hid a cheat code inside your dashboard that tells you exactly how to go viral. And the best part is 100% free, and YouTube is the one doing the work for you itself. This is powerful. Today I'm showing you the latest 2026 strategy to make 4,000 watch hours directly from the source. No shortcuts, no bypasses, and zero risks of losing your monetization. If you have been stuck at 100 hours for months, this changes everything. Look, here's the truth. Most heroes tell you to use 5 different apps to hack the system. But here's the crazy part. Those apps don't know your audience. YouTube does. I wish I knew this earlier. Why would you use an external tool when the owner of the house is offering to help you move in? This is real, guys. When you use the system I'm about to show you, you never have to fear a reused content strike or a monetization rejection. Why? Because you got the data from YouTube itself. You can literally tell them, hey, you gave me this idea. Now pay attention here. We are going into the lab. Open your Chrome browser and go to studio.youtube.com. You need the desktop version. Once you are in, look for the AI assistant icon. This is honestly insane. Most people see this and ignore it, thinking it's just a help button. No, this is what I call the studio intelligence loop. You are going to type very specific command, and I would leave the prompts in the description. Don't just ask for video ideas. That is a beginner mistake. Stop wasting time doing this. Instead, type this. Analyze the videos on my channel based on my most viewed videos with the highest retention. Give me next video ideas specifically to increase watch time. If you don't have a lot of data, you have to post first for the algorithm to understand the kind of channel your channel is. And if there is some people that that post different things, this video is not for you. You need to stick to one particular niche so that the algorithm can understand your audience. You might be thinking, why retention? Because 10,000 views mean nothing if people click away after 5 seconds. To hit 4,000 hours, you need people to stay. This command forces the AI to find your sticky content. Oh my god, this is where most people completely destroy their growth. They get the idea from the AI and then just post a boring video. Now this shocked me. Even with a perfect title, if you don't match the energy of your previous viral hit, this won't work. Nobody talks about this. You have to study the video YouTube pointed out. How did you talk? What was the lightning? Why did they stay? Imitate your own success. I'm telling you, this work. When you sit down and study it, you imitate it and see where you got wrong, and then do something different. Wait until you see the next part. When the AI gives you the title, don't stop there. Ask it, how should I start the hook for this video to keep people watching for 10 minutes? It will literally write your script opening based on what your specific audience like. It's like having a top tier producers working for you for free. This is why most beginners stay broke online. They try to guess what works. This strategy removes the guessing. This is the part that makes this even easier. Once you have the studio intelligence loop running, your channel becomes a machine. You aren't just guessing, you are building a watch time flywheel. You are using YouTube's own AI to tell you how to win on YouTube. It's honestly the most unfair advantage I've ever seen. I use it a lot, and this got me my first 4,000 watch hour. If you're tired of the struggling and you want the exact prompts I use to scale my channel, you need to be in my inner cycle. Join the Telegram right now. I drop real-time updates and strategies there that I can't, always post here. The link is in the description. And if you want my deep dive guides on AI cash loop, head over to the website. The link is still in the description. Check it out. There are a lot of content that you will learn. It's for free, completely free. You are not paying for anything. This is real, guys. Go try this right now and come back to this video to testify. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.